Hey learners, this is Pranshi Verma and welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn economic general knowledge, multiple choice question and answer for your all competitive examination. Guys, this video is very important for you. In this, your first question is, who was the first administrator statesman to attempt planning as a means for economic development? Option A, Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer. Option B, M. Vishwesvaraya. Option C, B.T. Krishnamachari. Option D, C. Rajagopalachari. And here right answer is option B, M. Vishwesvaraya. Next question is, an economy is at the take-off stage on its path to develop when it, option A, becomes stagnant. Option B, begins steady growth. Option C is liberalized. Option D gets maximum foreign aid. Right answer here is option B, begins steady growth. Okay. An economy is at the take-off stage on its path to develop when it begins steady growth. Next question. Which of the following is the basic characteristics of oligopoly? Option A, a few sellers, one buyer. Option B, a few sellers, many buyers. Option C, a few sellers, a few buyers respectively. Option D, many sellers, a few buyers respectively. Right answer is option B, a few sellers, many buyers. Is the basic characteristic of oligopoly. Okay. Next question. The aim of which of the 5-year plans was to correct the disequilibrium in the economy? Option A, first 5-year plan. Option B, second 5-year plan. Option C, third 5-year plan. Option D, fourth 5-year plan. Right answer is option A, first 5-year plan. Okay. Next question. Which of the following 5-year plans recognized human development as the core of all development efforts? Option A, 8th 5-year plan. Option B, 7th 5-year plan. Option C, 5th 5-year plan. Option D, 3rd 5-year plan. Right answer is option A, 8th 5-year plan. Next question. Which of the following plans aimed at improving the standard of living? Option A, 3rd plan. Option B, 4th plan. Option C, 5th plan. Option D, 6th plan. Right answer is option B, 4th plan. Next question. At which of the following places was the mining of coal started in 1774? Option A, Chinnadwara. Option B, Dhanbad. Option C, Ranchi. Option D, Raniganj. Right answer is option D, Raniganj. Raniganj places was the mining of coal started in 1774. Okay. Next question. In which of the following years were the cooking coals and non-cooking coals mines in India nationalized? Option A, 1971 and 1972 respectively. Option B, 1972 and 1973 respectively. Option C, 1973 and 1974 respectively. Option D, 1970 and 1972 respectively. Right answer here is option B, 1972 and 1973 respectively. Next question. Which India state has the largest number of cotton textile mills? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, West Bengal. Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Maharashtra state has the largest number of cotton textile mills. Next question. Minor ports like Kakinada, Machilipatnam, Vimunipatnam and Krishnapatnam are in which of the following states? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Option B, Andhra Pradesh. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Karnataka. Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Minor ports like Kakinada, Machilipatnam, Vimunipatnam and Krishnapatnam are in Andhra Pradesh state. Okay. Next question. When for the first time did the Prime Minister of India announce the 20-point economic program? Option A, 1973. Option B, 1974. Option C 1975. Option D 1976. Right answer is option C 1975. In 1975, for the first time, Prime Minister of India announced the 20-point economic program. Okay. Next question. Which of the following plans aimed at the removal of poverty and attainment of self-reliance? Option A, second plan. Option B, third plan. Option C, fourth plan. Option D, fifth plan. Right answer is option D, fifth plan. In fifth plan, aimed at the removal of poverty and attainment of self-reliance. Next question. Census in India is being held regularly after every option A 6 years, option B 8 years, option C 10 years, option D 12 years. Right answer is option C 10 years. Census in India is being held regularly after every 10 years. Next question. People belonging to what age group are eligible for training under TRI-SAM scheme? Option A 18 to 35, option B 25 to 40 respectively, option C 18 to 50 respectively, option D 18 to 25 respectively. Right answer is option A 18 to 35 age group are eligible for training under TRI-SAM scheme. Next question. According to the census in 2001, which city in India has the largest population? Option A Kolkata, option B Mumbai, option C Delhi, option D Chennai. Right answer is option B Mumbai. According to census in 2001, Mumbai in India has the largest population. Next question. In terms of geographical area, India occupies what position in the world? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 3. Right answer is option C 7. In terms of geographical area, India occupies 7th position in the world. Next question. India does not share its boundary with which of the following countries? Option A China, option B Taiwan, option C Burma, option D Bhutan. Right answer is option B Taiwan. India does not share its boundary Taiwan countries with Taiwan country. Next question. Agriculture employs almost what percent of the Indian population? Option A 90, option B 50, option C 40, option D 70. Right answer is option D 70. Agriculture employs almost 70% of the Indian population. Next question. Which one of the following is a kharif crop? Option A Bajra, option B wheat, option C mustard, option D barley. Right answer is option A Bajra. Bajra is a kharif crop. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is a rabi crop? Option A rice, option B jowar, option C cotton, option D peas. Right answer is option D peas. Peas is a rabi crop, means matar is a type of rabi crop. Next question. Who is known as the father of white revolution? Option A V Curien, option B MS Swaminathan, option C JP Narayan, Baba Amte. Right answer is option A V Curien. V Curien as the father of white revolution. Next question. Who was the chief architect of Green Revolution that significantly improved the agricultural yield in the country? Option A MS Swaminathan, option B B.R. Krishna Iyer, option C V Curien, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer is option A MS Swaminathan, the chief architect of Green Revolution that significantly imposed the architectural yields in the country. Next question. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, famous for its mineral deposits in it, is in option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Jharkhand, option D Madhya Pradesh, option D Bihar. Right answer is option B Bihar. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, famous for its mineral deposit, is in Jharkhand. Next question. The Mumbai Stock Exchange was set up in option A 1875, option B 1900, option C 1922, option D 1947. Right answer is option A 1875. Mumbai Stock Exchange was set up in 1875. Next question. What does the term NSDL stands for? Option A National Securities Development Limited, option B National Securities Depository Limited, option C National Safety Development Limited, option D Natural Safety Deployment Limited. Right answer is option B National Securities Depository Limited. Okay, NSDL stands for National Securities Depository Limited. Next question. Which one of the following was launched with the objective of helping the poor in rural areas to become self-employed? Option A DPAD, option B IRDP, option C TRISAM, option D DDP. Right answer is option C TRISAM. TRISAM was launched with the objective of helping the poor in rural areas to become self-employed. Next question. In India economy, the principal means of transportation is option A airways, option B railways, option C waterways, option D roadways. Right answer is option B railways. In India economy, the principal means of transportation is railways. Next question. Which of the following organization looks after the credit needs of agriculture and rural development in India? Option A FCI, option B IDBI, option C NABARD, option D ICAR. Right answer is option C NABARD. Okay. So NABARD organizations looks after the credit needs of agriculture and rural development in India. Next question. Which of the following estimates the national income in India? Option A Central Statistical Organization, option B National Income Committee, option C Planning Commissions, option D Reserve Bank of India. Right answer is option A Central Statistical Organization. Okay, Central Statistical Organization estimates the national income in India. Next question. In India, which of the following taxes is levied by the state governments? Option A excise duty on liquor, option B capital gains tax, option C customs tax, option D corporation tax. Right answer is option A excise duty or liquor. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. In the next lecture means part 2 of this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye.